Hi, this is Mel. These Lo Shu videos are just for entertainment purposes. Please do not take them seriously. These are just to entertain you and give you some knowledge which was there for thousands of years. Lo Shu been practiced in Chinese astrology, also in Indian astrology, in Vedic astrology. So, and this just giving you some knowledge and might benefit from knowledge and some remedies, but these are just for entertainment purposes and don't take them seriously. Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to do the Lo Shu number 2 if 2 is missing, and the next video we're going to do if there's too many 2s. Okay, so if number 2 is missing from the Lo Shu chart, the person will lack feminism, like gentleness, qualities which are like feminine characteristics, like being kind, nice, gentle, loving, caring, motherly. So number 2 represent the earth element. It is the gentle number among all the numbers. People who have number 2 in their chart, like the people who has like number 2 is present in their Lo Shu chart, they are usually caring and kind, and they have a very charming personality, and they number 2 present means they are also intuitive, and number 2 missing means that you can face problems with relationship. You have number 2 missing person has no emotion. The emotional side is numb. They don't feel love, they don't feel kindness, they don't feel caring, like the motherly, and they are not intuitive at all, like they do not listen to their inner voice or intuition. Something the inner voice tells them, don't go that side, that road, there's a tiger there, but they will still go because they think they need to see it for themselves, because they do not trust in their inner voice or intuition, and they work through their pride and ego. They are number 2 missing few characteristics which I witness myself with people around me, is they have a serious problem with their ego. Their ego is too high, and then they have a serious problem with listening to anybody's advice, which comes with ego being high. And then what I experience is number 2 represents the moon, and it represents just like the number 1 represents the sun, and it is the number for the father. Number 2 represents the moon as a number for the mother, like the motherly nature, kind, all these characteristics. So when number 2 is missing, the person is also, not only that person does not have any feminine or motherly characteristics, they're also very rude, and they usually are very abusive and rude to the woman figure, mother, daughter, sister. They'll always hate and abuse. So that's one thing I have noticed in the people with missing number 2. The reason it is missing, because they were not nice to the women in their life in the present, and women in their life in the past. Now if they are nice to the women in their life in their present now, then they could get rid of some of the karmas which they built up previously. For that reason, they don't have it too, so they can erase those bad karmas from not having it to. At some point I have seen the people who did not have it too. Not only they were mean to their mother, mean to their wife, mean to their daughter, but also some point they're somehow responsible for their mother's death. Like sometimes they will drive the mother at the death time, like at the last moment, to a place to die rather than a home um, surrounded by the family. So they will have the mother die in seclusion somewhere all alone. So sort of like they are responsible for that death. So number two missing comes from that karma to not being nice to the woman. So that is the reason it's missing. So what they need to do is start being nice to the woman, mother, daughter, wife, any kind of female figure. And that is why they don't have any of the female characteristics like love, kindness, compassion, the motherly characteristics. They don't have it because somehow that get messed up. So people who do not have number two in their Lo Shu grid suffers from relationship problems with mother, with wife, with child, daughter. They can face delays in marriage. Also there's problem in marriage. There's not much a happiness. It's not a happy marriage. Always fight over ego. So if Lo Shu grid chart number two is missing, the person will not have self-confidence. And also in the moment of crisis they become very vulnerable and very scared, nervous, vulnerable. They don't have self-esteem, motivation, confidence. The Sugid missing number two makes the person impatient. They are very impatient. I need it now, and angry, and they are not punctual, and they're very stubborn. They make many mistakes by ignoring the intuition, the quiet voice inside them. They do not like to follow that quiet voice which all the animals in the world follows. The quiet voice. The animals roaming around hear a sound, they run away, hide, because they know something is coming. So they strictly follow their intuition. But number two missing, people do not follow intuition. They try to justify their actions rather than admitting that they have done something wrong. If the number two is missing and the person has done something wrong, clearly you could try 1,000,000 times, but you still not be able to convince that person that that person has done some mistake. A person will argue till the death to prove their points, to make them right, rather accepting the whatever wrong they have done and saying sorry. Oh, sorry is not in their book. They will never say sorry. Missing number two, remedies. Okay, so up to this point, we talked about what kind of people they will be. Two missing means the moon is missing, means the anything to do with marriage, family, and they can get married, they can have families, but then it's not going to be such a happy. So you cannot remove completely the effect of missing number two, but you can reduce by using remedies. So moon signifies the earth element. So if number two is missing, then the earth element is not present. So hang a picture of mountain without any sea, lake, river or waterfall. Do not add sea, lake, river, waterfall, just mountain. Why? Because you're missing the earth element, but you're not missing the water element. Two is the earth element. So do not add any water to that mountain. on the southwest corner of the home. So in your home in the southwest corner, add a picture of mountain, just mountain. That picture should not have any lake, sea, river, waterfall, any such thing, just a mountain. Okay, now two missing means you need to donate things, need to be kind. So donate white color items like sugar, rice, white clothes to the needy, unfortunate one, like the beggars. So it will cure the ill effects of missing number two. Also be kind to them. Be kind to especially women, mother, sister, wife. Be respectful. Be kind to them. Listen to what they have to say. Always do not fight to prove yourself right. Keep a like pot with some soil in the southeast corner of the house and put a like basil leaf or mint, something, some kind of any flower, anything, or a pot with water. Keep in the southwest corner of the house. So on the so three things might reduce. So you can keep a picture of just a mountain on the southwest corner of the house, a pot with soil and some flowers or green leaves, whatever, on the southwest corner of the house. And donate white colored things to needy or poor, like rice, sugar, white color clothes, any white color food. Donate that to poor needy. Fourth thing, be very respectful to women, especially mother, wife, daughter. Do not raise your hand on them. Do not fight with them, shout with them, hit them, or be disrespectful. And fifth is, do not try to prove yourself right all the time. If you are wrong, say sorry. Does not hurt to say sorry. Sorry does not mean that you will be less than others. Sorry means you will be more than others because you can say sorry. That's a big talent. So learn that. So these are few things for the people missing two. Now we're going to do the next video of having two or having too many twos.